Hi guys, welcome back to MMP, and today I'm in Rahim Yar Khan. So my friend has this beautiful farmhouse here, and it's the village, and there's a desert out here. It's beautiful. So right now we're going to see some camel racings, and as you can see in the back, right, there's some camels right there. And one second, let me get out of the frame. Yeah, there you go. And yeah, so I'm going to take you on a little trip around Rahim Yar Khan. I've never been here before, and so we're hitting up the desert tomorrow. We're doing a few forts, and we're gonna be also some of my friends here. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'll keep taking you guys around.
Yo, hey.
Hi girl.
Unbelievable, I have to say.
So guys, this is my friend's farm, and they basically harvest, and they're into agriculture as well. So yeah, and there it goes. There are all the camels. He's dancing. So we've arrived at the place where they're gonna race the camels, and there's this one camel. I made a video of him. He was doing a little dance. It was so cute, very cute. But now we also have we have this donkey cart. One second, let's see. Yes, like little baby donkeys. Oh, they're so cute. After the camel racing, which was a lot of fun, I've never seen camels, run this fast before, and one of the camels was a little slower. It was really cool to see that. After that, we drove out into the desert, and this part of the land has been sold to Abu Dhabi through the Sheikh of Abu Dhabi, and the Sheikh comes in with his friends and with the royal family to hunt here. But we actually off-roaded instead of taking the main road to the fort. I think the fort is not so far off from the main road, but we actually went into the desert to kind of see the terrain, and it was really incredible because if you follow the vlog till the end, you'll see another really different type of landscape when it comes to the desert, because there's powdery sand as well, and this was more hard sand. So the fort is really interesting, and which is now coming up next. All right, so now we're at one of the forts out in the desert in Cholistan. Yeah, go. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Are you enjoying the fort?
Yes.
Yes?
We just climbed that one.
I know. Let's go inside.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, this is so freaking cool. So guys, we found these old relics, and if you can see, there's some sort of etching and drawing on them, and we kind of put them through water, and yeah, these patterns emerged, and there's a chance that these are thousands of years old, because this kind of terracotta is no longer made in the world. The next day, we went to explore more of my friend's property, which is absolutely stunning. And so there were these really huge date palm, and we called our friends, they had arranged for a snake charmer to come, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't love it because it was very scary. I did not realize that I was actually petrified of snakes until I saw the number of snakes that came out. I think we saw 2 of them, and after that I ran back to the house. I was I can't deal with this anymore. After the snake drama, in the evening, my friend had organized a dinner into the middle of the desert, which was really interesting because we had amazing saji, which they've been making all day, and it was I think it was chicken. Yeah, it was chicken saji, which I'll just you'll keep seeing pictures of all of that stuff ahead. So yeah, so after so we went for this dinner in the desert, and it kind of is very interesting to see that how the desert changes in different parts of RYK. The date palms were lined across on the roads, so it was a very different side of Pakistan that I was seeing, and I've never been to Cholistan before. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of my trip to RYK. I was there for 3 nights, and basically like I made footage of as much of it as I could. But if you get a chance, please do go visit RYK. It is beautiful. It's Rahim Yar Khan. I call it RYK, just shorter and sweeter. And yeah, and you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Moment as Mixed Plate family. And I'll see you next time. Take care.